Hey there! Are you struggling with audio issues while trying to enjoy your favorite shows and movies on your iPad? Well, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into a simple yet comprehensive guide on how to fix Netflix sound on iPad. Whether the sound is too low, not in sync, or completely absent, we've got you covered. Your streaming experience is about to get a significant upgrade. Step 1. Check the volume and mute switch. First things first, let's tackle the basics. Ensure that your iPad's volume is turned up and not muted. Many iPads have a mute switch on the side, which often goes unnoticed. Slide the button and watch for the volume off notification to disappear. Additionally, make sure the volume rocker is turned up to your desired level. It's amazing how often this simple step can be the difference between frustration and smooth streaming. Step 2. Update the Netflix app. Outdated apps can lead to unexpected glitches, including sound issues. Navigate to the App Store and check whether there's an update available for the Netflix app. Keeping your app up to date ensures smoother performance and patches any known bugs. A quick update might be all you need to restore flawless audio. Step 3. Restart your device. Sometimes a simple restart can work wonders. Turn off your iPad by holding down the power button until the slide to power off option appears. After it shuts down completely, wait a few seconds before turning it back on. This can refresh your device's system and may fix any temporary software glitches affecting the sound. Step 4. Inspect audio output settings. Make sure your iPad isn't accidentally connected to external audio devices such as Bluetooth speakers or headphones. Go to your iPad's control center and check for any active Bluetooth connections that could be redirecting the sound. Disconnect from any unnecessary devices and try playing your Netflix show again. Step 5. Adjust audio settings in Netflix. Within the Netflix app, audio settings can be adjusted according to your preferences. Start playing a video, then tap the screen and select the audio and subtitles option. Ensure you're set to the correct audio language and non-descriptive audio track if that's your preference. Sometimes switching between different audio tracks can resolve sound sync or clarity issues. Step 6. Update your iPad's operating system. Running an outdated iOS version can potentially interfere with app functionality, including Netflix. Head over to Settings, General, Software Update, and see if there's a newer version available. Updates often contain fixes for bugs that could impact your device's audio output. Step 7. Reinstall the Netflix app. If none of the above solutions work, consider uninstalling and reinstalling the Netflix app. To do this, press and hold the app icon until an X appears in the corner. Tap it to delete, then head back to the App Store to download and reinstall Netflix. Don't worry, your account and viewing history will remain intact. Step 8. Contact support. If all else fails, reaching out to Netflix or Apple support might be your best bet. They can offer additional troubleshooting steps and check if there's a broader issue affecting audio playback. Now that you know how to fix Netflix sound on iPad, you can get back to enjoying your favorite content without any annoying audio disruptions. By following these simple steps, you'll ensure a seamless streaming experience every time. Remember, keeping your apps and devices updated is crucial for avoiding many common tech hiccups. Happy streaming. Say goodbye to those frustrating silent or garbled moments and dive back into the vibrant world of Netflix with sound clarity. Stay entertained and enjoy your shows just the way they were meant to be heard.